Hi, I'm Bob. If you're looking for that special gift, for the cowboy in your family, either a friend or a relative, you need to go to cowboyok.com. Now, this here is a nice small fountain, and you just fill it with water. First of all, it looks great. I mean, the attention to detail is amazing. But all you do is just fill it with water and plug it in. And once you do that, it starts circulating, and it's got a light on it. It's got water. It pushes the water in, and the water spills out after it fills up right there. Gorgeous. And then it goes right back in to be recirculated. It's a nice piece of art that it's special. It's special for that special someone maybe in your life. But that's cowboyok.com. Well made, it's gorgeous.